morning, my Benzinga peeps. I have missed you guys. Nice to be back in the fold with everybody. What's going on? DD's $12. Well, you know, just keep listening to Mr. Kramer when he said buy as much as you can. Buy as much as you can. I love this company. Well, that ain't working out so well, is it? Alpha's ballistic. Whoa. Yeah, we have a lot of nutty stocks doing crazy things this morning, right? Alpha just went up $1.50. Blinn, we're keeping our eyes on for a trend trade, see if that works. Marin, where are we? Now let's stay at 25 in Marin for a little marker. AMC, we got a bid in down $2 if we get a quick spike down. In that one, yes, Alpha and Marin, sick. Well, we got to be patient in these things. Let them open. I can tell everybody that this week by 10 o'clock or 10:15 or so, this market's going to be probably done. This is usually one of the slowest weeks of the year. Big vacation week. Allegedly. Yeah, that's true too. Who knows? Who knows? We're going to get wackadoodle this morning. We'll see. We'll see what they give us. Kramer knows. That's right. Just ask Jim. He can help you out in every stock. OSAT, another one is on our radar. Little $8 stock that's up $3. Wish we talked about, but I don't see anything in Wish. I think last time we were on, guys, we were talking about Tesla, right? And it was $600 and we said 700. Got to $697 like a day after we were together. I know a bunch of people in the room had options in that. When it was down at the 600 level, they bought 700 calls and it was just insane. I think there were a couple of bucks and went to like $40. 650s we bought too. Yeah, I mean, close a downtrend, but it's only $11. I don't see a lot in it, you know. I think the video is getting a little stretched, guys and gals. We go to a weekly chart in the video, and this is about as stretched that I've ever seen this stock. You know, I mean, I love it. I love it long term, but we're 100 points above the moving averages now. So I am looking to short this at some point. We almost have an 80 RSI on a weekly chart, which does not happen very often. The only way I would do it is with options. So maybe we'll take a look later on, but I cannot buy the stock up here. Yes, SQGB is on our radar. Another one that I have trouble putting the symbol in. There it is. Yep, this stock went to 24 yesterday, so we'll keep a little eyes on it. WB, yeah, that's wackadoodle. Yeah, I don't know about WB. All right, we got a little Blinn. Tiny, at 1390 to see what it does. That's fine. We'll buy a little more at 1340 and see if it holds these levels. Sell a little Blinn if we get to 1430, guys. Take a quick 40 cents. All right. Sold the Blinn at 1430, guys, for a quick 40 cents to start the day. If you still have some, you can trail it. Let's see what the next move is, though. Ooh, good in and out, guys. Boom chakalaka. Oh, we just bought 1340. All right. Let's see what happens with this. So we can add a little at 13 small. We'll do that. And keep it small. Sometimes the bloom gets off the rose in these things, and that's it for the day. All right, we got a little at 13. 1226 is the next spot. Just keep it small. Out of Amazon call. Okay. All right. 12:30. We'll double up on blend. Okay. And just keeping it very small. AMC spiking. Marin coming in. Ooh. We just missed Marin at 25, guys. Wow. That would have been a nice trade. All right. I'm not even crazy about it now. Not crazy about it. We just missed it. AMC spiking. All right, we got anything in AMC? Well, 55.30 could be a little short in AMC. We missed it by 1 cent, Marin. You gotta be kidding me. All right. What trading app am I using? I use Thinkorswim for charting and Interactive Brokers for my trading. Let's sell a little blend if it gets to 13.20, guys. 13.20. 13.20, 13.40. We're out of this thing. It gets there again. Out at 20. Out at 40. Out of blend, guys. 30 and 40. 20 and 40. Nice. Made a couple of bucks. Good job. Got 40 cents again. 40 cents twice is nice. No, you're not stuck in Marin, Jeremy. If you left it out there, beautiful. Start selling something. You got a 50-cent profit. Boom, chaka-laka laka. I know, you left your order out. That's good. Take 50 cents. Beautiful. Again, the reason we were buying the Marin at 25, that was our 65 EMA. For everybody who's watching out there, stock went down $2.50, hit our 65 EMA, and gave you a quick 50, 60-cent profit. Boom, chakalaka. I love it. So 2 trades in that little blend. 1 trade in Marin. All right, Labu. What do we like, guys? 72.80 for sure, Labu. Let's get that out small. Why is the biotech index popping down from here? 72.80 will be a far from moving average trade, and we have pivot point. So let's get a little bit out there. We can add to it if it holds those levels. My order screen is missing because I have this chart up. There we go. Cancel blend, cancel AMC. Labu is good. OSAT, yes. Let's keep our eyes on. Yeah, I mean, it's a $9 stock. You know, OSAT pulled back to the 834 and hit the early trend. Gave you a freaking dollar out of it. So that was nice if you were right on top of it. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. We are short the market a little bit, guys. We have some VXX that we put on Friday. I think we got it at 28.40. I just thought the market is getting a little stretched up here. So we bought some VXX on Friday that we still have. Wish, Qualcomm, SQ. Wish is nothing yet, Lily. I don't see it. Maybe it's setting up for a trend. PayPal. What do we got, guys? 292.30 would have been a little shorty, right, in PayPal. But I don't know. The stock looks very strong. I don't know if I do that. I'd rather be long PayPal, right? SQ probably looks the same, right? Yes. Well, 248 will short some SQ, Jeremy. Let's put that out small. So what we're doing, guys and gals, for those of you who are just joining us for the first time on Benzinga, is we're using our technical analysis and looking for spots to buy and sell stocks based on our moving averages and pivot points. To put it as easily as I can. So we got a little resistance at 248 in SQ, and that would be up $8 in a very short amount of time. You know, you got to give SQ a little room, guys. That's why I'm doing it small. But that would be very stretched. Boeing far from moving average. Now, give me some levels in Boeing. We're only $1 away from the moving average Boeing. 233.20 Boeing. Bingo. Yeah. I don't think that'll happen, but 230, 320 is a really good spot. Far from moving average for the win. That's one of our favorite trades, right? Yes. Oil getting hammered. All right. 233.20 Boeing. All over it. We will try. We always want our stocks to get to our levels fast, too. Like I'm keeping my eyes on SQ, right? I want it to happen in the next minute or two. Faster it gets to one of our levels, the better the trade will be. WB. WB's dead flat trading between these levels. I don't see it. Better short if it breaks the 65 and a better buy above the range. Well, oil had a big run up, guys and girls, over the last couple of weeks. If we look at oil, I mean, it's had a nice run up, so it's just pulling back a little bit. All right, got my eyes on SQ. We want it to be now or never or soon. Alf. What's it all about, Alfie? All right, you can have a little early trend out in Alf. All right, 1490, 1460. That looks all right, Jeremy. I don't think we're going to get SQ, guys and gals. Come on, Boeing, do it. Do it. Amazon, you're buying 3,650 calls. All righty. Wow. That's getting a little stretched, Amazon, too. Yes, Amazon is a buy. Qualcomm, I saw somebody post. Let's take a look. Nah, Qualcomm's dead. I mean, it still looks like a better buy, but it's kind of just sitting here. NVIDIA's dead. Neo just spiked nicely. Wow. I don't know why. 5170 is a short in Neo. 5170. Guys, do we still like SQ or is it taking too long here? I'm debating. It didn't get there and it's taken forever to get there. I'll give it one more minute. Neo is a short at 5174 if we go in that direction. Definitely do that. Patience. All right, I'm listening to you guys. You tell me when or if to cancel it then. How about that? How about them apples? I don't think we're getting it. Clove 972. Let's look. Whoa. Yeah, the only thing with Clove is you got to buy a bunch of it. I mean, you should get a bounce down there. Yes, in Clove. But, you know, unless you got to buy like 1,000 shares, try to get 20, 30 cents out of it. All right, that's it for SQ. This might took us in Macy's window. We didn't get that. Yep, far from moving average was probably the play in that one. Tesla. All right, Tesla, what do we got? Just went down $9. 66666 Tesla is a buy. We got to put that order out. Down $7 from here. Got it. Small in Tesla, but I like that level. Just got to put that in. 66666. Got to be in order. Marin. I don't know. What do you got in Marin? I got nothing down to like 2250. It's on the 30-minute track. All right. Netflix. What are you doing in Netflix? Ooh, did you short Netflix on the pivot point? One? Yeah, take profits. So you see how Netflix guys got right to our pivot point after being really stretched out and just gave $1, a quick dollar profit. Boom. Right? So yeah, have some bids out, 537 and lower. 537 is $1. Nice. Zoom. You're going to zoom? I got to sit up straight. I have a bad habit of leaning over. I don't like it. Neo. Boeing. Well, Boeing's still going, guys. We'll give Boeing another moment here. Oats trend trade. OSAT, I mean. You can try a little OSAT here at 8. Sometimes with these things, though, Stu, or whoever put that up, they just kind of sit and then they don't do anything the rest of the day. Yeah, some stocks are very weak. I don't know why. All right, Labu, we're good, guys. We're trying 72.80 if we get there. Well, we just got Tesla, guys, at 666666666. Give Tesla a couple of bucks. Now 267.20 for a little. Give Tesla a little room here. Putting out 668 also. 667.20, 668. Sold some Tesla 667.20. Labu, we're in right here at 72.80. All right. All right, Labu, we're going to keep tight here. It's a far from moving average trade, really. So let's see. We already got it small. Trying to get $1.50 out of Tesla. Come on, Tesla. Really? You're going to miss us by 10 cents? Give it a minute. Let's try to have a break-even stop in Tesla now. We'll try to get far from moving average in Labu if it goes down from here a little bit. Give it a minute. SQGB halted. You know what we'll do in Labu? Let's add a little bit at 72, and then we'll go far from moving average. And we will look. If it percolates around here. Neo better buy. Yeah, Neo 49.50 could be a better buy, yes. Yes. 49.50 could be a better buy. Tesla have like a 666 stop now because we made a little bit. But get to 666, just get out of Tesla. Break even, basically. All right, should be out of Tesla, break even. Made a little, lost a little. All right, we're in a small amount of Labu. Oh, Tesla, we made some money. We made 50 cents and we lost 50 cents. When we first get in, it didn't go down. We're fine. Marin. Yeah, be careful in Marin. Ooh, 22.30 Marin, guys, right? Should have bought puts on everything. Yep, I'm with you. All right, we might get filled in Neo. Let's look. Neo where? Oh, okay. Cancel the short in Neo. You got to give Tesla more than $1, guys. I told you that. First thing I said was you got to give it a couple of bucks, right? Did you or did you not hear me say that? My exact words were you got to give Tesla a couple of bucks. All right, Marin. All right. Let's try a little Marin, guys, at 22.35 with a stop. Does it right now. Oh, you kidding me? Marin got to 22.30, guys. 22.30. I got in too late. Damn it. Anyone get the Marin, guys? That was beautiful. At 22.30. Oh, my God. A quick dollar. Wow. Nice job, guys. You guys got it? Excellent. Yeah, we're going to get out of Labu. We couldn't add to it. Oh, I had 200 shares out there, too. I know. I don't like Labu here, guys. Just get out, break even. I think it's going low. If it gets to 72, we'll add to it, but we made a couple bucks. Marin was a trade of the day, guys. That was a day maker. Boom, chakalaka. At a Tesla 665.55. All right. Yeah, let me cancel that shorty. Cancel that. Cancel Labu for now. Yeah, guys, you cannot trade Tesla with small size and only have a dollar stop. You just can't do it. I said have a $2 stop, and we would have got out break even in this stock. There was no gain, no loss. We didn't have another level down there. Yeah, Marin was a trade of the day, guys and gals. A lot of people in my room just nailed that. I was a second late getting there. Exactly, Jeremy. But everybody did great on Marin in the room. Excellent. Everybody see how beautiful that was, though? I mean, it came down, smacked off 200 EMA, and quickly went up $1. Doesn't get better than that. Nice job. Nice job in the room, guys and gals. Gus, Tesla was $1.55. What are you talking about? We were hit it 666, whatever. 666.30 we got in. We sold some for a nice profit, 667 and change. That was a money-making trade in Tesla. Well, what was 664, Gus? Clove. I didn't have anything at 664. Yeah, Clove's just a short, guys. I know you bought it there, Gus, but I didn't see a level there. 655.40 is the next spot. Excuse me. Which we will do again in Tesla, but you got to give it room. 655.40. That's down $10 from here. I'm going to risk $60 on it. You know, according to your size, that's what you do. Oh, you just bought it late. Bought Apple 142 calls. I love Apple. We have been long Apple forever. Yes. QBG, hold it again. Wow. Is that shortable? SQGB? SQGB. Yeah, the problem with Tesla is we'll pay $1 up on a far from moving average trade, Rick, which doesn't mean it won't work, but SQBG is shortable. No, it's not. Of course not. All right, let's watch that one on the reopen. SQGB. ASAN. One of our all-time favorites. $68. Is this getting stretched out for a swing trade again, guys? One more day and it will be. We shorted this at 61 and made 5 points on it the next day. If we get another day up in ASAN, guys, we're going back into that one. Almost got the 80 RSI again. So we'll be here tomorrow with you guys. So maybe we'll get a swing trade in that one. SQBG just opened. I don't know how we can play this, honestly. I don't know how. It's more danger of getting stopped both ways now. Right? I did not get Neo at 49.50. You guys get Neo at 49.50? All right, cool beans. If you got it, sell some in the 70s and have a break-even stop now. Don't give it a lot of room. Puts in what, Juan? What do you want to buy puts in? ASAN? I will if it's up again tomorrow. Coin? 237.50 is too close. Don't like it. Not enough of a move. Guys, the only reason I'm losing money today is because I have some options and some long-term swing trades that I'm losing like 80 bucks in today. Bonds are strong. Yes, they are. Bonds are strong. What does that mean? Can anyone decipher what bonds being strong means? It's usually not great for the market, is it? Yeah, SGQP, you can buy puts, correct. Do they have options in it? I don't even know. Let's look. Nope, no options in SGQB. So you can't even do options in it. I don't know. Someone in Benzinga said it's bad for tech, and someone in my room said it's good for tech. You guys tell me. Whoa, GameStop. Yeah, GameStop hitting a little pivot here. I mean, that's $6 away from the moving average, GameStop. Right? On strong means people going to AMC have no money. Oh, you're getting a nice down off the pivot point in GameStop right now, guys. It was 197.70. I don't know. Maybe this thing starts popping in now. Tesla. All right. I like Tesla, guys, for a trade. I mean, Tesla will be a far from moving average trade down there, too. But we want it fast. Why is Tesla getting so pounded down today, right? Jeez Louise. Labu. Yes. Labu. 70.60. Marker, guys. Marker. Labu. We'll go far from moving average. So for those of you who are listening or just joining us, when I say a marker in a stock, that means I just want to know if it gets there. And then we'll go in. We don't commit to anything. And we'll try to execute what we call a far from moving average trade. If we get there. In the Tesla 36.50 call. You stink. You gave the kibosh in Tesla, guys. Just had a nice big bounce up. Damn. All right. The room, guys. What are we doing today? You guys, everybody should be green. If we followed all the trades, right? We had a couple of good ones early. Green AF. What does AF mean? As Blend made my day. Getting used to the new car phone. Julian, we didn't lose money in Labu. We made a couple of cents. Or a penny, something like that. We got the bounce. SQQB halted down now? I am not surprised if it is. Yep. Halted on the way down now, guys. Well, we can put a little marker if we want to get involved around 18 in SGQB. I'm going to put it up. Yes, Marin was the whole day for the room. And for those of you who traded it. Anyone trade Marin on Benzinga? When it got to our levels? Look at that. It's up $1.50 from there now, Marin. Wow. Don't get much better than that. Don't get much better than that. Jeez, 800 on Marin. Nice job, Oliver. Excellent. Moxie higher day. Another wackadoodle stock, right? All right, Moxie could be a better buy. Market's coming in a little bit here, right? I'm in the room here, right? Yes, Juan, you're in the room. You're not dreaming. Yeah, OSAC could be a little pullback trend trade. Yes, Alto bounced. Alto has no volume, guys. I wouldn't be messing around with Alto. Unless it's something you want to put away, I wouldn't be messing around with it. GameStop kind of held this level, but it's not really giving much of a bounce. Tesla bounce, cancel that for now. Still like Labu, guys. That'll be a nice far from moving average trade down there. So what we'll do, for those of you who don't understand the far from moving average trade, if we get there, if it hits us at 70.60, that'll be down $5. It'll have the relative strength below 20. We'll buy a little bit, then look for a green bar and add to it. That's the far from moving average trade. Hopefully we get a shot at it. We'll see. NEO bottomed. Not yet. It's not doing anything. I don't see a trade in NEO. SQ. Man, Tesla would have been beautiful, guys. SQ's a better buy. Yes, trend trade, Dana. Right? If we could have got that Tesla, guys and girls, that would have been a nice, easy $2, $3 trade in a couple of seconds. Let's look at Tesla technically now. Where are we going? Where's our daily? Our daily also, guys, was 656.30. It just freaking missed that. All right? 656.30. And then we got 648 would be a good spot. Missed it by $1. The daily trend line. Wow. Sick. Alpha out of the base. Okay, you can watch that one. Excellent. Excellent. Tesla easy bounce off at these levels. Well, I mean, you got to have something technically telling us to do it, Juan. You know, our spot was down a little lower. It didn't get there. Doesn't mean it still won't. Space taking off. Yeah, it is. Why is space taking off? Just went up $1.75. Space to the moon. Tesla weekly. Yeah, it's down around 650, which would be fine if we get in those directions. Hi-ho. It's a hi-ho. Halted up 50 cents. I can tell you this, everybody. All right? Nice call on Amazon on those calls. Very nice. I mean, I'm not trading Amazon, but very nice call. Yes, we have a lot of people in the room that do options. They do everything. One-stop shop, guys. Look at Myrna. Anyone short Myrna this morning? I got to show you guys this. Look at Myrna. I mean, it exactly hit our 200 EMA. It's down $7. Wow. That's crazy. Apple yearly highs. Good. You guys know I own Apple. I own Apple since 1987 or 85. Always buy Apple on big pullbacks. Always, always, always. And just put it away forever. That's my theory on Apple. You got to sell some at times, though, so you can buy it when it pulls back. That's just prudent. Right? I can tell you this, guys. It's 10 o'clock. You guys noticing anything already at 10 o'clock? You guys have any questions about anything? Because I can tell you right now, in about 15 minutes, this market's going to be done for the day. It is going to be a real barn burner for the rest of today. Beyond's a better short than buy. Right? It's in a nice downtrend. I'd rather short it when it gets up to some trend lines than be a buyer. So Friday was the first time in this entire run-up where we got short the market a little bit by buying the VXX. First time. Not enough likes for David so far. That's not good. Give me some love, guys. Again, Clover's a $10 stock. There's nothing here. It's been a short, if anything, but there's nothing here. With the Marin trade and those couple of little ones we had early, all right? Right now, there's 116 people in my room, and I've heard from 35 people, about a third of my people, that they're done for the day. Gone. Done. Done. Next week, guys, when I'm back from my vacation, I'll invite all the Benzinga people to come spend a week in my room. Free of charge. You can come hang out. And it's going to be the last week I'm doing it, by the way. Just so everybody knows, I made my day just practicing. All right, good. My room is full. That's it. So I'm going to have one more free week for everybody to come hang out in the room. And then I'm oversubscribed. Not oversubscribed, but I have as many people as I want in the private trading room. And this is what we do every single day in the private trading room. We all trade together. Only holding shorts for the moment. Yeah, I think I kind of like that too. I think we're going to break down a little bit here, Steve. I do. Boot camp last week. Yes, we had our boot camp last week, which I do once a month, where I teach my entire course live. And we crushed it last week. Crushed it. I mean, most of the people who took my boot camp, which is completely separate, paid for the boot camp 2 or 3 times over. Yeah, we had a really good week. We had a good learning week, and we had actually made a couple of bucks. And we kicked 50 people out of the room. Space is a better buy on a boot camp. Yeah, you're not going to get it all during the first boot camp, Jewel. It takes a little while. I'll be back, guys. I'll be here tomorrow with everybody. Okay? And then I'll be back next Monday. And next Monday, I'll have everybody in for the last time for that week. That's it. Alec. Then, you guys, you can purchase the course, which I'll talk about before we leave, which gets you, anyone who buys our course, which is 6 hours, gets you mentorship on every Thursday night with me forever. We'll talk about that stuff before we leave. Let's see if we can't get another trade. Yeah, Alec just ripped up out of the base. Again, it's a better buy. I don't see any reason to be short Alec. Just hard to get in these things at good levels anyway. But look at Roblex, guys. Just ripped up to our short at 88.60, right? Partners with Sony Music. All right, so it's probably a better buy anyway, but it gave you a little trade off that. Little trade. So in the room, in our course, we teach you how to do everything that you're looking at right now. And then we mentor you every Thursday night. Yeah, WB was a good one to short early this morning, that's for sure. At $81 frickin'. Sal, what are you doing today? Apple is getting a little stretched. Yes, it is. I mean, I'd short Apple at 145 for a trade. Trade. I know, it's been a crappy morning, right? We had a couple of good trades. Look, I told everybody when we came in today that don't expect a lot out of the market today or this week. It's just going to be very quiet. It is. What's this SQGB doing? Well, did it reopen? SQGB? I can't even put the right thing in. There it is, 2107. All right, so it's kind of trying to hold on to this little trend trade right now, but I don't like it. I like 18, right? We're not committing. We got 18 and 1765. The trend is 20. Okay, but do you believe in this stock? Do you believe in love, life after love? I don't know. I think these things do this and then end up unchanged for the day. A lot of people are stuck in that one at 28. I can tell you that right now, uneducated. Yeah, Roblex is a better buy, but let it set up. Let it set up for the trender. Labu bounced, I'm assuming, guys and gals. Yeah, cancel that for now. Market's still coming in, right? So let's see where we are in the spiders, guys, on a daily chart. What can we expect? I mean, the reason why we shorted the market on Friday, we had 3 giant days in a row up, right? Huge. Just way too stretched out. So, just a normal pullback to our trend line is what, 430 and 428 in the spiders. That's a normal pullback, 429. That's down 500 points from here. So that would be normal. It's a normal pullback to the trend line. We'll see what happens. Bonds are really strong, right? Thanks, Mark. We don't, we're traders here. We don't push cheap stocks or anything like that. We just trade. But we always appreciate any input that people give us. Looking to short plug. 33.30. Yeah, maybe if it went there fast, I wouldn't do it now, Dan. Taking too long to get there. OSAT, trend trade. Soxel. We are here to teach people how to trade. Okay, our big focus is on day trading. We do swing trading. We do options trading. But we do not promote stocks. That we don't do. Soxel. I mean, Soxel was due for a big pullback too with all the chip stocks. But still looks good, man. On the daily. CCIV. Space looking good again. Let's look. Yeah, I mean, space isn't a short, guys. Well, it is at 49.50. I can tell you that. This was like 56 last week, right? Yeah. All right. I mean, look, we got to buy space on a pullback. That's the bottom line. Let's get some trend trades out in space right now. So we don't just go and chase stocks that are up this high. The odds aren't as good. We're going to make money if we start chasing all the way up here. But, if we pull back to 46.20 now, that's a beautiful trend trade that should hold. So we'll put out 46.20. We'll try to buy a little space. We can get some sideways action here, consolidation. We can buy it out of that. Yeah, if your pivot points are off by a couple of pennies, it's all right. Wow, ZM. Yep. I don't know. They're worried about the pandemic getting worse. I thought that was completely over with, basically. Who knows? Why is a 200 different from 1 day, 1 minute versus 5 minute? That's a good question, Gene. Anyone who purchases our course, guys, we walk you through how to set up your charts. And I suggest Think or Swim. Think or Swim is what we all use for our charting system. Then you'll learn how to put all the technical analysis in it. And then it's just a matter of waiting for things to set up and hit our lines, to put it as simply as I can. And that's what puts the odds in our favor of our trades working. And we make on a lot more than we lose. That's it. Last week was really spectacular. It was one of the best weeks we've had in a long, long time. Not that we don't have losing weeks very often, but are you ever going to add a new course to Investopedia? No. Matter of fact, Investopedia course is going away. They are just moving in a different direction. It's going to be gone in the next 2 months. Yes, Juan, I know. That was a great course, but that's going to be gone. Ooh, JJ, that stinks. I know. Look, I had 3 people in my room point out Amazon this morning before the stock opened and buy calls, and they are crushing it. Right? Oliver did. I think Dana, didn't you mention Amazon early this morning? Yeah, a couple of people did. Yep. And they are crushing it like a potato locker. Blinn is dead, guys. I don't see anything. Yes, Shannon. Think or Swim is great for charting. Yes. It is. We love it. Yeah, CRM is just a buy. Mark's camera is on. What up, Mark? Your camera is on. Boom chakalaka laka. Which is okay, unless you're going to start doing stuff you don't want people to see. GameStop. All right, well, GameStop will get a bounce off 192 if we go in that direction. Yes. All right, let's put a marker out so we don't forget about it. 192 would be a far from moving average trade. My average trade, guys, is usually like 100 shares if we're doing a regular trade. People in my room trade the beginners 10 shares, and people who have been with me for a long time, 5,000 shares every time we make a trade. Yes, you can. You're right. Space still going, I know. We need a pullback in space to get involved. That would be nice. CRM. Very, very strong. So, we look to buy these stocks back if we can get pullbacks in these things, or we'll short them if they get really stretched out to the upside. And again, we're just trading here, guys. We make 40, 50 cents on the cheapest stocks. We're doing good. You buy 2,000 shares, you're making $1,000. And we try to do that several times a day. But one thing we would do not do is trade just to trade. We're going to sit and be patient now. If we get something, we get something. If we don't, we don't. Hopefully we will, but yeah, gold's a little choppy right now, Rick. All over the place. Yes, SQGB is up 35%. Isn't that whack? OSAT. Labu started bouncing a little. Yeah, a little bit. Better short Labu if we get to the trend line, right? 73.20. It's in a nice downtrend. All right, come on. Space pull back $1.20. Let us get involved. Yeah, everything is starting to lose interest in everything. What are you doing with Tesla? Up $9,000, down $7,000, now $3,000. Are you long Tesla? Oliver? Serge, who the hell could afford 5,000 shares of Amazon? Yeah, look, Marin, the trade of the day was down here, guys. That was it. That was a trade of the day for everybody in the room. 23.30. We can't short it. Who knows what the hell it's going to do next? It's wackadoodle. Roblex. All right, maybe 87.30 for the trender in Roblex. Looks good. Yes. I like it. Can you even figure out how much 5,000 shares of Amazon costs? What up, Jackie Cannon? Good to have you with us. Again, you could still be long from $23 in this thing if you bought it there. So we talk about odds when we make trades, right? The odds of it bouncing off this level were about 95%. That's it. That's why the trade worked. The odds of buying it here and it goes up from here are probably about 50-50. It's already gone up $4. Oh, you held from 15. We were long Marin at $11 last week. Right? $11 we were long. Crazy. No dividend on Amazon. No. Nope. I know, Melissa. That's all right. Apple pays a dividend, right? A small dividend. Yeah, Dan did. Dan, you called it every time. 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. Tesla's trying to turn green a little bit. Yes, I hope it goes up for you, Oliver. It's a better short, though, for today on the trend lines. Market's coming in pretty good here, guys. Right? Starting to come in a little bit. If I could sell my VIXI at $30, $29.50, make $1 on it. Does anyone else still have the VIXI? from last week. So we were patient and waited and waited and waited and waited and waited and waited. And it was the first time we got in it and got short the market. All right. You know, I would sell some at $29.50 or so, guys. I'm not going to make $1 million on it. UVXY at $26.50. Very nice. Same trade, Joe. Yeah, you got $1 profit. Take a little bit, no? 25%. Anytime we do a swing trade, you know, if we make a nice profit on it, we take some off and look to get back in if it comes back. Mara, held Mara from your target $200. Thank you. All right, excellent, guys. I am in your $499 a month trading room. Do I get the course as well? No, Gene. If you're in my trading room, it's two completely separate things. Two completely separate things, Gene. So the room is $500 a month, and you with us every day, and you get a boot camp. So included in that. We'll talk about that stuff before we get out of here, guys. But after next week, I'm not taking any more new participants in the live trading room. So you'll still be able to get with me every Thursday night by purchasing the course. Again, we'll talk about it in a little bit. Let's see if by some miracle we get another trade set up before we have to get out of here. But yeah, I mean, Myrna was perfect off the pivot point on the downside, right? I mean, perfect. Crazy. Tesla. So everybody in my room is constantly posting things, and I'm looking at it. Yeah, Gene, if you're a room member, you get the boot camp included every month. Okay? So if you're again, we'll talk about it in a little bit. Yes, I would short Tesla at 669. Yes, yes, yes. All right, let's go over our orders because I don't think anything's happening here. Certainly not getting space. We're not getting GameStop. We're not getting SQGB. All right, we will short some space at 49.50, guys. That will be stretched out. But I sell space and take $1 profit. You should sell half your space and take $1 profit. But anytime, guys, you have $1 profit on any trade you're doing, please put some money in the bank. Yes. So I would take $1 profit on half and then bring my stop up to like, you know, $48 and lock in the trade. So you can't lose money. You're going to short 49.50 if we get there. It's not going to happen, but we're all about putting money in the bank, guys and girls. I sold CC on GameStop today. What's CC? CLSD. Yeah, CLSD you buy and put away, Joe, if you like it. All right? Not for a day trade, but if you like it, buy it, put it away. That's right, Jeremy. It's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. All right? So CLSD is I like doing covered calls, Casey. Yep, I'm good with that. AMC. I don't know. AMC can still go to 40. I don't like AMC. AMC is going to be a $5 stock again, guys and girls. I don't know when, but in my opinion, it's going to be a $5 stock again. Can't raise any more money. They have $11 billion in debt. Roblex, what do you want to do? Again, I'm not crazy. Don't like Roblex. I hate trading it, but yeah, 87.50 is good. I started day trading and I'm doing okay so far. Played coach professional poker for many years. Oh, Gene, a lot of things transfer from playing poker. I have taught a shitload of poker players how to day trade. Because one of the most important attributes you can have as a trader and a poker player is patience and discipline and money management. Exactly the same. It's all about patience, discipline, and money management. And that's what trading's all about. Nah, Blinn is dead, Dan. I don't see anything there. I see dead people. Look, there's going to be times when Apple underperforms and times when it outperforms, right? That's just the way the stock has always been. But we're getting stretched now on a weekly chart too. I'll probably short some Apple and certainly sell some covered calls on it if we get up to like 145. Or it just gets stretched out. Well, a lot of people think this is gambling, what we do every day, and it's not. We make on more trades than we lose, so how is that gambling? Right? Well, that's okay, Bob. Maybe you'll have another chance when it pulls back. And if you made money in it, you never look back. That's the bottom line. You never. Well, yeah. Again, I don't call it gambling at all in any way, shape, or form. Look, I have at least 50% of the 100 people or so that I have in my room are doing this and making a living. Now, I still have the space short at 49.50. I like it. Let's give it a couple of minutes. So anyone who tells me this can't be done, it's work. It's not easy. You got to know what you're doing. You got to learn how to do it properly. But you can certainly make a living doing it. We prove it every day. It's a matter of sizing up when you get used to your trading, and your $100 a day turns into $1,000 a day. Yeah, I mean, SGQ, whatever this piece of crap is, just broke nicely out of a base. I was just going to ask, when should we start shorting VXX, UVXY? Why do you want to do that? You're finally starting to go up a little. Why you don't want to short them? I'll tell you where you can short them, okay, is if a spider's hit a support level. And what did we say our first support level in the spiders were? 429. I mean, that's now 500 points from here. That's technically our next spot. I want you to take profits as it goes up, of course. But I don't have a support level in the spiders until down, another 3 points from here. Boom, chakalaka-laka. Marin. I don't know. We hit it once already, right? This is just a wackadoodle stock. Why did it just spike up $3 to $25.60? Anyone? I'm with you, Mike. I'm trading for 35 years. I worked on the Florida Stock Exchange for 20 years. I started teaching people how to do this 10 years ago, and I've been making a living trading for 10 years. And a lot of people in my room have been with me for 4 or 5 years. Okta. Yeah, Okta's a better buy than sell, Melissa. Getting a little stretchy poo-pooed, but it's a better buy than sell. Methinks. I like to see space at least go sideways here a little bit so we can buy some. Right? ZM. I would wait till the trend in ZM. 396 looks good. Right? SQ. Same thing. I would wait for the 15 in SQ, Joe. Futu. And Futu was a better short right up here, right? 145 could be a nice short in Futu, up $6 off the low on the trend line. I like that. Bought a little Rolex. All right, Rolex held the trend down there at 87.35. Nice, Dana. Take some profits. Boom, 50 cents. Very nice. BSQR, NEO spiking down. Again, BSQR, buy, put it away if you like it. It's not a trade. Not a trade. Yep, NEO looks good again. All right. We'll short some Neo at 51.70. I'm putting that out. That'll be stretched up there. 51.70 Neo. Good. At Todd Carroll, good luck and make a lot of money. I don't know what that means, but okay. Some people call me the Space Cowboy. Cancel. We're not going in that direction. Facebook holding the 200 EMA, but it's a bloody mess down there, Joe. CCIV just broke out to the upside in CCIV. That is a better buy than sell. Trend trade rules and Roblex. There you go. Very nice. Yep, take some profits, Chris. So this is our trend trade. All right. We buy a little on the 9. We add to it on the 15. Your average is about 87.50. You start selling at 87.80, 88, and see if you can get a little more out of it. Boom, chakalaka. So even if you took 50 cents out of the average, that's good. It's a nice job. Marin has been really good, Jackie. The only problem I have with Marin is we can't short it. And I hate trading a stock that's one-sided. You know? I hate it because I like to be able to buy. I like to be able to short. And it gave the one spectacular trade today. That was it. That was it. Roblex was Dana. Dana popped up the Roblex, guys. Dana popped up the Roblex. Beautiful. Yep, Tesla's going again a little bit. Again, look how nice Tesla would have been, Martin, if we could have bought it down here at that 655 level, right? Didn't miss it by much. I wouldn't be shorting Tesla now. I wouldn't do anything in Tesla now. Palantir waking up a little bit. Yeah, but it's got a long way to go. Again, I like that one long term. SoFi is one of my favorite stocks long term. There's another lockup period coming. That's why people are getting out of this thing. But this is one of my favorite stocks. Long term. Gets to $15. I'll start buying a little for a swing trade. SoFi. And that, again, spiked up. I don't see a lot there, Melissa. Crowd. Is a nice trend trade. Hanging, hanging, hanging. VACQ still look like a buy. I don't know. Looks like a bloody mess to me right now. Again, you know, it depends on whether you're talking long term or you're talking day trade. Day trade, something's got to hit one of our lines to make a trade. That's the bottom line. You know, Moxie just gave a little short at 26.10. I don't even know if we can short that thing, though. Probably not, right? Of course, the volume is falling apart. S1 is just about over. I can short Moxie. Look at that. Oh, it just gave a little signal right up here. Let's see what the next move is. So Moxie now is setting up for a nice afternoon trend, right? So, you know, you can buy a little Moxie at 24.80 and 24.35. Let's put it out. I like that. Moxie, 24.80. That's the trender. Good. Apple weekly swing. And to me, Apple's getting a little stretchy here. I'm not saying it can't keep going up from here, but I don't think this is a great entry point for a long-term trade now in Apple. It's getting stretched on the weekly chart. Really stretched. So, I mean, I'm in it. I'm not going to sell it. That's for sure. But I don't think I'd initiate new positions up here. CPOP. This one that was like $100 or something. Yep. A lot of people got crushed in this one last week. IPO that went to $78. How you feeling now at $35? Oh, my God. One of the things we do best in our room and in the course is teach you guys not to get caught in any of these hype stocks ever, because they're fine to trade, but do try to do investments in these things, and you got to take your profits out. Yes, Mr. Kramer came on pre-IPO in DD and said, buy as much as you can. His exact words. Buy as much as you can. It's almost down 45% from there. And there's talk of them being investigated. Who the hell knows if they're even a real company? Imagine that. And no accountability. None. None whatsoever. Ooh, I made a mistake. Yeah, well. Space. 46.90. Yeah, I like space there, guys. Let's put it out. Space. Let's do space. SPCD. Sell, sell, sell. Sell what? Whatever Kramer says. 46.95. All right. Buying some space at 46.95 on the trend. Maybe DD is a real company. Yeah, listen. So why is the stock so bad? I don't know. Maybe they just don't make money. I don't know. Why is it so bad, Seth? Did they just overprice it on the IPO? Is that what it is? China. All right, cancel Moxie. That ain't happening. Cancel Neo. Yeah, I understand that, but what does that mean? What does that mean? They're going to take their users away? I know the China regulation, but what does that mean? Right. Uber in China being investigated by CCP. Blah, 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 blah. Guys, you guys think it's worth buying? You want to buy some down here? I don't mind. If you guys don't think it's going out of business, it's probably a good spot to start a little bit, no? What do you think? I don't know. Well, if we believe it's eventually going to bounce, it's a good spot to start buying this thing. I can tell you that right now. Right? All right, so maybe all the bad news is in it now. You know? I still like space on the pullback. I see the market's really coming in now. Well, again, we got room. Down to 428 and change. Look, I'm going to take $1 profit in some VIXy. I mean, I'm in at 28.40. Got to take $1 profit. Especially over the weekend. Why not? You have to. And then if we get down to 429, we'll be flat, and maybe we'll short some VIXy. I think we should buy. People overbought, and we'll keep buying, bring costs down. That helps us make money. And DD, guys, I'm not opposed. Valuation is somewhere around 4 to 1. All right. Yes, everything's coming in pretty good now, guys. So we want to look for stocks that are very strong that we might get a chance to buy on these pullbacks, right? Look at space. You know, it's not really coming in. It's staying strong. Yeah, it's one of the strongest ones. So Marin, there's no game. Apple could be breaking down a little bit. Alec. Yeah, I mean, Alec looks good, man. Right? It looks really good. I mean, that's a buy on a pullback to the trend line. Well, small caps are getting hit a little bit, CR, yes. And they've had a tremendous run too. Right? And look, we're coming down to our first support level. Let's just call it 225 in IWM. And weekly is 224.50. So this can go both ways, CR. You know, if we break 224.50 in the IWM, that would not be good longer term. So I think it's going to depend over what the overall market does. Beaky? Yeah, I mean, Beaky looks like a better short. It's in a downtrend. Technically, this stock looks like crap. Yeah, we ain't getting space, guys. Too strong. Didn't even get to the 9 EMA. Too strong. CCIV on a little pullback. Yeah, tiny bit. And the whole move's only 50 cents in CCIV. LI. XPEV. The car maker's doing all right today. Yeah, they all look good, Serge. XPEV, LI, NEO. They all look like the same exact chart. See that? Every one of them. So these are buyable on pullbacks. Roblex. Oh, wow. Well, you know, there was a little something in 86.60. Look, guys, I don't think you should be in a hurry to get in long stocks here with the market coming in, right? You know? Space 549.50. I like that short. All right, let's do it for a trade if it does it right now. Space. Right now, please. We'll do a little trade ski. Just pop up. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. I'll do a couple hundred shares and try to get, you know, between 25 and 50 cents on it if it does it right now. To do it, to do it, to do it, to do it. Meanwhile, I just want to be long the stock and it's not giving us a chance. Today I learned cup and handle is not a for sure thing. Okay? Now, look, technical analysis is not always a sure thing, right? Yeah, I wouldn't give it more than 30 cents, Ken. You know, the idea is to just try to put the odds in your favor as much as you can. It doesn't mean every trade's going to work. We get stopped out on trades. Happens. But at least you're putting your odds in your favor. You got a better chance of making money. We're not throwing darts at the board. Yeah, Apple could come in a little more from here. I like Apple at 140.90, guys. That's down $2.50. Let's do that. I like that. Regular moving average trade, 65 EMA. Apple could be a buy here if you get a green bar and it goes up. But I certainly like the trend down. Yeah, TD is not great for shorts, guys. It's just not. It is not great for shorts. Space struggling. Yeah, it's not getting to our level. I don't even like it now. Taking too long. What up, Vitali? I think Interactive Brokers is the best for shorting also, yes. I totally agree. Very few stocks that I can't get. Yeah, space we want to be long, Joe. On a pullback to the trend, buy space. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. You guys like my shirt today? I'm in vacation mode. Nice. Nice. All right, how many people that are listening to us on Benzinga made a couple of bucks today based on our trades? Anybody? Or was everybody kind of just hanging out and watching? Give me some ones if you made a couple of banana skins with us today. Yeah, Moxie 2490 is hitting the trend right here, if you like that. All right, some people made a couple of bananas. Well, Steph, here's the thing. You had to follow our trades to make money. Dan, you're losing money. All right. Well, it wasn't on any of the trades that we did. That's what I'm saying. All right, you want to try a little Moxie? Let's try the trend. 2450 Moxie. It's a trend trade. Get a green bar from here, you can just buy a little bit. Neo Higher Day, ISEE. This thing doesn't trade any volume. I see it though. Wow, nice. All right. Yeah, car makers are very strong. I don't know why, but taking too long to get to 5170. I think they're better buyers, right? I think they're better buyers. First day watching. I'm glad I found the screen. Excellent. When you say Benzinga is never consistent, what does that mean, Dan? Thoughts on Mara? Mara's going to trade with Bitcoin. I don't see anything in the trade in it right now. Kind of just dead flat. But you got to watch Bitcoin for Mara. It trades exactly with it. All right, what are we doing, Sal? You buying some ISEE? Mark, get out of your pajamas. Put some pants on. Someone in our room has their camera on. They're walking around in their underwear. Actually, pajamas. Oh, too funny. All right. We ain't getting any of these orders. Sally, should we buy some IC and put it away? What do you think? No, I ain't buying that thing. MOXC. Let's look. Yeah, Moxie's sitting in the middle of everything right now. Cancel the 2450. That's not happening anything. Day trading is a beautiful way to make a living, right, guys? Well, if you can figure it out, it is. Especially since we're going to be done in 15 minutes for the day and go enjoy your life. All right? I'm on the 15-minute trend in SQ. Yeah, I hear you, WK. Excuse me, guys. Oh, nice. Excuse me. Yeah, someone got in a beautiful trend trade in SQ. Up $1.10 already. Very nice. Boom chakalaka. Thank you, super duper hayseed farm boy. I appreciate it. NUE. NUE's in a nice downtrend, Hurt. It's a better short than buy. Tesla could be trying to turn a little bit here. AMC has no clue what it wants. Look at the volume, guys and girls. It's gone. That's it. It's gone. GameStop is a cup and handle buy pattern. Well, I don't see it yet. I would say you can buy GameStop above like 197.50 with a stop and then see if it can continue that. It is kind of rounding a little bit. And your stop would be the low sale that it made. Better information on a daily chart. You know, we're sitting on this 190. Let's just call it 196 daily. And then we got a weekly of 189. And if we break 189, this thing's going back to $100. Or it's not going to be good. Let's put it that way. So I'm not bullish on GameStop or AMC right now. Not at these levels. Alec coming in. Let's look. All right, Alec, 38.90 is a little spot if you like Alec on the trend. Sally, you bought some DDD. What price? That's up $3. That's against my religion. I can't do that either. Looks good, though. Oh, you got a little Moxie for a trade off the 9? 25, 25.50. Boom. Nice job, Chris. Now, look, Case, I'm not telling anybody to get in and out of, to sell stocks or buy stocks. I'm just giving you my pure technical analysis decision. That's all. So now you could probably grab a little against the lows because it could be rounding up a little bit. And look, as long as you have stop orders in, I don't care what you do, right? Just protect yourself. That's all. Yeah, Moxie was great off the 9. Good job, guys. You got another nice trade in the room. Excellent. Well, Neo hit this 51.74, but didn't even give it a trade for a pullback. So it's not a short. Neo is still a better buy. GameStop is a clear as day buy. Okay. I get it. Again, it's not for me. It's not. All right, ICE. Well, I was waiting for somebody to tell me to buy ICE. I didn't hear anybody saying buy it. I saw somebody point it out. So where are you long, DDDDD? We have no orders right now, guys. Sorry. We got no orders. They both look great on the chart. DDD long on VWAP. Where was that? Down here at $34? I don't see that. Buy some options in ISA. We're making new lows in the market. It's not affecting those stocks, though, at all. Tesla was a short on the trend. It's almost giving you $1, right? So you bought, okay. So you bought some. I didn't see the post exactly where you bought it. Okay. Bought at 37.30. All right, so you bought it right here. Okay, Solly grabbed a little right here. 47.30, 37.30, looking to sell 50 cents on some. Yeah, sell a little VIXY, Joe, if you have. We're up $1 on the trade. Yeah, I don't know about DD. Again, guys, I don't mind starting a little DD here. Let's buy 10 shares of DD. We'll add to it lower. What's the worst that could happen? It goes down to $5. We have 10 shares. Right? I mean, as long as you guys think this is a real company, we'll stop buying a little. We'll add to it if it goes lower. Rocket going. Rocket going. Nice job, Melissa. Quick $1 overnight. I love it. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Short the Qs. Well, we did it on Friday, BTUB. That was the day. We are long VXX from last week. And we're up $1 on the trade now. So I don't know if I'd run in and do it now, but yeah, probably time to take the profits. Why not? I think everybody else in the room is out. I'll be out too for now. Well, I think DD, look, down from 18 to 12 is probably a good place to start, especially if all the bad news is out now. So we'll see what happens. Can't do options or anything yet, so I don't mind starting a little bit for everybody here. We'll see what happens. Wish is dead. It's not doing anything. Marin is not doing anything. All right, guys and gals. Let me give you guys a couple of options because we got to get out of here in like 10 minutes. CLSN is a drug stock that we have owned since $2.50, and it's a lottery ticket. That's what that is, Patty. Someone in the room recommended it. I listened to him like an idiot. It's a little spec stock. That's all. I might OCO my last few hundred shares of VXX. Yeah, no, I think this can go higher, Joe. I do. I think the spiders can see the level that we talked about, which is 429. It's not that far away. You know what I'm saying? I think you're fine. Yes, CLSN. Melissa. Again, it's just a total lottery ticket. Can you talk about boot camp before you go? Yeah, I'm going to talk about a couple of things right now. So far, I like for a swing below $17. Nah, it almost got there. Yeah, like 1660, I had a little swing out in SoFi, but I like that. Yes, again, SoFi is a long-term hold for me. All right, let me show you guys a couple of things real quick, okay? Okay, so I want to show you guys our course first on my Benzinga peeps. This is our brand new course that we just finished doing. It's been out for a couple of months. Wall Street Global Trading Academy.com. 6 hours of videos and lessons weekly live with me and Peter. We have made this, it's normally $500, and we put it on sale for only Benzinga people and U24 Capital down to $447. So we're taking 10% off for everybody. Let me show you what the course entails. The most important part of the course, guys, is we give you mentorship. But once you pay the $447, which is 10% off, this is what inside the course looks like. Stock market basics. Language of the stock market. We start from the absolute very beginning. This is for beginning traders, intermediate traders, or advanced traders. Money management, which is the most important part of trading. Set up your charts. Our 5 trading techniques. Includes anything a stock can possibly do. We give you swing trading. We give you options trading. We give you a little Bitcoin. And once you have bought this course, every Thursday night, we do continued mentorship at 5 o'clock. And we have them all recorded. So even if you're not in the room one night, you just click on the archives and it'll come up and you can watch the entire meeting, whether you're there or not. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. So we do the Q&A for everybody, and then all you got to do is click in, and you'll see it come up. Boom. It's an hour, at least an hour every Thursday night. So that's Wall Street Global Trading Academy, okay? It's only $447, 6 hours of material. You have it forever, and then you get me and Peter every Thursday night to help you along. We have great meetings every Thursday night. You can answer whatever questions you have, and we answer them for you. That's Wall Street Global Trading Academy. You sign up now, you'll see me Thursday night. Okay. The other thing, which we're not going to talk about till next week, is my room. And when I come back from vacation next Monday, I will invite everybody who's listening now to come into my room for 5 days and hang out and trade with us. And then we can talk about if you want to stay with us and go through my boot camp. I'll give you the opportunity to do that. And you're going to be the last group because my room is going to be closed after that. Okay? So you want to purchase. Most of the people who come into my room buy the course and sign up for the boot camp. If you want to purchase the course, WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. When we come on next Monday, I will give you a link where everybody can get into my room, and you can come hang out with us for a week. Okay? You'll hang out with us for a week. If you decide you want to stay with us, we can talk about moving forward after that. My room is not cheap, guys. My room costs $500 a month. And it includes a live boot camp every single month where I teach the entire course live. So being in a room without the course is a recipe for confusion. Okay, that's fine if you want to get it. The room is awesome. Thank you, guys. Yeah, here's the bottom line, guys. We make money in a room. You take the course and learn what we're teaching you in that course, you're going to make money if you follow all the rules. That's it. It's bottom line. I mean, we do nothing but make money in here over the long term. Period. We prove it every single day, but you got to be patient. You got to be disciplined. You got to follow the rules. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Or the boot camp, but either way, you need to learn the methods. That is correct. Thanks for coming in on your vacation, David. I had a great morning. Yes. Well, vape, here's the thing. $500 a month is a steal. I made that today on Marin. That's what I'm saying, WK. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We had boot camp last week. At least 60% of the people paid for it in 1 or 2 trades. For some reason, I cannot access the course. All right, let me find out what's going on with that, Jake. Send me an email. All right? You should be able to. You have a login and password, right? You should be able to. Let me give you my email, Jake, if you don't have it yet. We'll get that straightened out. Yeah, we have sold a lot of courses, and we have a really good time on Thursday night teaching everybody. Really do. David and Robert Roy are some of the most valuable guys on. I appreciate it, guys. Look, we're not, you see everything we're doing live and in person. It's not like we're hiding anything. We have, trades that we make on. We have trades that we lose on. Nobody makes money on every single trade that we do. But at least you're seeing it live here, and I'm walking you through it for better or for worse, right? And there's a lot better than there is worse. Best 500 I spent, been making 10,000 per month since then. Wow, Ramesh. That is a ringing endorsement if I ever heard one. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, all right. Again, VIXY, you should still have some, guys. I think the spider's going to get down to 429. Look, that could happen today. We're 2 points away, right? So if the spiders hit our daily level, which is let's just call it 429, I would be completely out of the VIXY. And again, you remember we talked last week, VIXY is not something you ever invest in for a long term, ever. But we thought the market was getting stretched out, and that's why we did it. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. So if we look at the VIXY, which was getting beat up to the downside, now it's having its bounce. So, between 30 and 30.50 is the trade, guys. 30.50 is the resistance. So that's it. We got long at 28.40. We sold a lot of them for $1 profit today. And it was just a trade.
How we doing, Mr. Green?
We are all good, Aaron. Very good morning.
Hey, look, I was drinking this Celsius energy drink. I don't know if you ever heard of it. It's actually a publicly traded company. The ticker is CELH. But I was looking at the can, and it's headquartered in Boca Raton.
Get out of here.
I was like, oh, David's there. Oh, sorry. I'm not trying to disclose your location to all our YouTube viewers.
That's okay.
They might come knocking on your... Oh, by the way, did you ever get that package we sent you?
I did. Beautiful. My wife absolutely loves the sweatshirt.
Awesome. Great to hear it.
She put it around. She's walking around the house in it. It was beautiful.
I know. I figured the sweatshirt might be a little much for Boca Raton. It's pretty warm down there, but when you got the AC blowing on in the morning, if it's cool, just put it on for the house.
Exactly. So we will be with you guys tomorrow, and then we'll be back next week, regular schedule.
Awesome. Great to hear it.
All right, guys. Before I leave, I can't impress upon you guys how important it is and we got to put this link up too, okay? Benzinga News, okay? It is just the best news service, and scanning service. I couldn't trade without it. So for all you guys who are with us today, please, you get a 2-week free trial, right, Aaron?
Yes, sir. 14 days, completely free, no credit card needed. Just go to pro.benzinga.com.
All right, let's pop that up there for everybody. But very, very important, guys. It is one of my most important tools, as important as my technical analysis or my money management. It's just another tool that we use to make us successful traders. So jump all over that 2-week free trial, guys. All right. Those of you, there it is. Beautiful. Those of you who purchased the class today, I will see you Thursday night. Okay, 5 o'clock. And then we'll get everybody into the room next week.
All right, and tomorrow morning you're gonna let me know what you think about Celsius. You're gonna go research the stock tonight, right? And
got it. I can do it right now for you.
Beautiful. All right, well, we'll talk tomorrow. We got to head out. We got SPAX Attack just started, so
excellent.
Yeah, go over to SPAX Attack with Mitch and Chris. Great show. Otherwise, we'll see you back tomorrow morning, David.
Excellent. All right, guys. Thanks for the opportunity. See everybody soon.
Of course. Bye-bye now.